Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am at Koratla railway station to give you latest update. The wiring is completed at Koratla railway station. This way it's Lingampet Jagityal. Let's go to platform number 2 and we will see what's there. You can observe caution notice boards which are kept for every single pole on platform number 1 and 2. There you can see Koratla railway station building. Now I am here at opposite side. This way it's Nizamabad. Let's go forward and we will see what's there. Watch previous video once again. In that video I have shown you the work is still pending in this location. But now even wiring work is completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.